another day, and I don't know which video I'm recording, 7th or 6th or 5. I'll give around 25 minutes for that. Okay, everything is working well. Now, last day, uh, I learned about this one as a professional spoken English teacher who teaches well Hindi speaker, explain verb to beginner, simple and friendly tone, and the formed 5 columns and 7 raw examples. So I also tested out that prompt in another AI tool and worked well. Okay. Now the question is that I'm not sure that I should write all the time, because in that first new chat I need to like act a professional. When I do that, I don't need to write it again. Okay, I just need to write this one. But in the new prompt, a new chat, I need to write all of that, because in that time they don't have any history. Means that they don't know what the user really wants. If I write this, then give me example. But if I give the role, but if I already given the role, I don't need to write it again all the time. We just need to just copy and paste. But I will write all of that. Okay, so I get, I'm doing the way I think that I'm making all new prompt. Okay, so the question is that your turn again. We just this instruction your own codes. Okay, so saying that make a table for 2 columns. First, verb, present simple form, include 5 very simple verb for beginners. Ex- Explain example of correct rewrites. So I'll first say that act as a spoken English teacher. Okay, I will say that professional English teacher, and also I add this context, who is good with teaching uh, 20 plus. Yeah, okay, I am around 30, so just I write it like a just let that be. Who is good with teaching, who is good with teaching, who is good teacher. Okay, who teaches good, also I reckon that. Who is good with teaching students from Hindi speakers. Okay, Hindi speakers. Now what I say, that's I have given the role. Now explain the context, explain pronoun and it usage. Okay, what is a pronoun, why we need it, how to identify and I only know the three, and give simple examples. Okay, so that's something I want. Now explain it in a simple and friendly tone. I've given the tone. Okay, now I have to make the table. So make a table. No, table spelling, a table, tab. Make a table with 3 columns. Okay, first pronoun English word written in Hindi. Okay, and then examples have I made the column, but also I need to make something like, for example, how many row. Just start with this. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so as I told that act as a teacher and all of that, I'm not sure that what answer I will get. Just see that if I'm doing something wrong now. You jump it ahead again, no problem. But study mode means we stay focused on one 10 skill at a time. Otherwise you won't build strong prompt engineering skills. Right now the exercise only write one simple table instruction sentence, but you wrote a whole new prompt about pronoun. You'll use a later, but not. Let's slow down again, step by step. Stay on this one skill. The only thing we need to practice right now is how to write a clean a table form instruction. So please only this part. Okay. Nothing about pronouns, nothing about tone, nothing about teacher role. Just this one and rewrite in your own words. Okay, I understand that. So let's do that. Make a table with three columns. Three columns. Okay, verb, present tense. Okay, that is okay. So three columns. Pronoun, Hindi written, English word, Hindi written, and third one, uh, examples. I hope it won't give me some again the error. Okay, just let's see what is happening here right now. Good, you wrote a table instruction of our structure script, but we are still in study mode, so I will not just hold the table yet. Instead, I will help you to improve your form contour skills step by step. Let's look what you wrote. Make a table with three columns per noun, English word written, Hindi written, examples. These are close but two small issues. Column name, English written word, Hindi written, is unclear. What do you mean? Hindi translation of the pronoun, you don't mention the number of row. Early practice, adding the row better control. Tiny question. When you say Hindi word, Hindi written, which one do you want? Example or B, he, she. Okay, B. I'm taking a lot of time and I'm not clear about what I'm focusing on. I'm more focused on the words that. Okay, I will try again. Make it pronoun in the Hindi script example. So I need to write in this way. Okay, now let me try again. Make a table with four columns pronoun pronoun in Hindi script. Okay, examples, sentences. Okay, Hindi translated example sentences. Okay, I read with a four column and have 7 row. Okay, that is a prompt I have written, and let's see what we are gonna see right now. I already waste all the time. So get, you have now written much clearer table instruction, and you also increase it to 4 column and 7 row. Nice, but still in study mode, so we don't generate the table yet. We refine it so you can learn how to write perfect table prompt. Here, make a table 4 column per noun in this case sentence. Okay, the correct but needs 3 small improvements: spelling, clean grammar, professional clarity. Okay, let's fix it. Spelling, grammar. A more professional sounding interesting instruction is make a table with a 4 column per noun script example sentence Hindi translated sentence include 7 rows. This is clean, easy to understand and very powerful. Your turn. Now you write it in your own words using the corrected structure. Rewrite this in your own style. Make a table with 4 columns. Okay, just write the sentences. There is one question I have. I want to ask it. Is it really important? Okay, really important to have you know correct, okay, correct spelling, okay, spelling, spell spelling. Okay, let's see what I get the answer or not. Great question you asked it. Here study mode answer no. Spelling doesn't have to be perfect, but it changes the quality of output. Let me explain step by step. Is spelling important in prompt engineering? Not for AI understanding. AI usually understand you even if the spelling is wrong. But yes, for getting clean professional output, if your spelling is messy, your in prompts looks messy. AI often produce messy table, messy formatting, or less professional result. Think of talking to a smart teacher. If you talk clearly, teacher teaches clearly. If you talk fast, mixed, unclear, teacher will still understand, but response is not perfect. Same with prompting. But there is a main rule very important. You don't need perfect spelling, you need clear structure. Structure matters 10 times more than spelling. Columns, row, from, tone, role, context. Okay, in that structure. And that's what we are training. Your turn, tiny question. Which one do you think matter more for a good prompting? Clear structure, clear instruction. Of course, two numbers. I'm feeling really bored right now. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but I do feel. So structure spelling. If the structure is strong, the AI gives strong output. So now you can relax. You don't need to perfect English to write prompts. Okay. How write a clean format table? Make a table 4 columns per noun. Okay. Translate in a sentence in a 7 row. Good. Now task is very small. Rewrite the instruction with a better clarity, not perfect English. Make a table 4 columns. Okay. But write in your words even if the spelling is not correct. Okay. So make a table with 5 columns. No, 5 is too big. 3 columns. Okay. Nature, uh, good. Okay. So what I want nature. Okay, let's use the same prompt. I don't want to waste my time. Okay, so pronoun in Hindi script and example sentences. Okay, now put it, include 7 rows. That's all. I'm directly just copy that. I don't want to think through it all. So as you can see what you get. Your instruction now clear structure and professional format. Okay, that's exactly how a prompt engineer gives format. You learn the table formatting skill correctly. Now you are ready to final steps of day 3. Still I am day 3. Okay. Week 1, day 3, final practice. Now I want to check if you understand table formatting logic. Here is it. What is the most important part of table formatting? Choose number of columns, names, number of row, purpose of the table, all of them together. Okay, 5 number because all we needed. And one more thing I understand prompt journey after learning for a couple of days is that you don't need to write a big prompt. You just need to write small one, but make sure that I understand it. So good table prompting is like columns, column names, row, purpose, and clear structure. That's professional level prompt engineering, and you are learning fast and very well. So day 3 is complete. Okay, that's all we need to do. The columns, column name, row. In that way we can able to control that what output we want. Rather than wasting our time, we can just directly get what truly we want. But for that, you need to clear about what truly you want. Okay. So day 4, what we learn? Style, tone. Make AI write exactly your way. Tone control, code prompting basics, YouTube. Okay. Photo, choose one. Style control, like make AI write exactly on your way. Tone control, I want all of them. So first, in one way. There's something also I want to know about it, that what will happen if AI write in my way? Will the content, whatever I like post in a blog post, is gonna be AI written or like a general article? I'm gonna ask this question later on. Okay, first focus on here. This is the most important skill in professional prompt engineering. Because when you learn style control, AI starts writing exactly like you. Your YouTube scripts match your natural voice. Your English explanations sound like your teaching style. Your content becomes unique. Output stop feelings robotic. You get constant result of every time, and it fixes one of your original issues. The content doesn't match my style. It remember that. Okay. So topic style control. Today we learn what style means. Oh, also I don't know. How to show AI your style. Yeah, that's also I want to know. How to force AI to follow your style. Yeah, I think it's gonna tell me how to. A tiny exercise for you. Okay, I will do it. Your first style template prompt. What is that? Okay. Style. What is style prompting? Style how something is written, not what is written. Okay. So it's about how something is written, not what is written. Okay. So if I use my own style and write article, even then Google think like AI written, because the content gonna be same, but the style is different. Okay. Short and simple storytelling, friendly and beginner tone, motivational, Hindi, English mix, teacher like. Okay, now I understand what is mean about style. So fast, deep explanation. I get it now. You already have a natural tone. You explain friendly, simple, Hindi, English, beginner focused. We just need to teach that to AI. The core idea. To make AI follow your style, you must give a style description. A style example. Use a simple, friendly English, Hindi English tone. Okay, style example, a simple sentence written by you. Okay, so this way. Together, these are super powerful. Step 3, we continue tiny exercises. How do you naturally explain English concept to beginners? Choose the closet, simple, friendly Hindi English. Short, direct example first, very slow, clear, step by step. Explaining like a school teacher, more like a friend helping another. Normally, I use one, like simple, friendly, and Hindi English. I've given that both of them so they can get it one, because they understand Hindi but not English. And I want to move forward on that area and become better. You see that I have only 7 minutes left. I'm not gonna spend more than the time that I've given. So perfect. So you already did the many things. Example, use a simple friendly Hindi tone. Then example, a short written by you. This is the secret of 99% of people never use it. When you give AI simple line, it copies the rhythm, tone and flow. Step 10 exercise is very important. In a natural tone, explain pronoun in your way, but one short line. For example, don't copy, make yours. Pronoun वो word होता है जो नाम के बाद बार बार रिपीट होने से बचाता है. प्रोनाउन एक सिंपल वर्ड होता है जो सेंटेंस को इजी बना देता है. बट यू राइट ऑन योर वे. Write one sentence of pronoun in your natural, simple, friendly English style. Okay. So I can say that like pronoun is a word जो हम noun if I tell you the truth, it's really hard to write. It's much easier to speak. Oh, I should have spoken that. The sentence is actually like a mature tone, simple, friendly, clear. English means beginner friendly. The perfect for teaching AI to your voice. Now we move to next font style control. Okay, using the style example, style seed, your sentence pronoun is a word जो हम noun के बदले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. This become your style seed. AI style seed is a small sample of your natural tone. AI started writing exactly like you. This is how professional prompt engineers force AI to match specific voices. Combine style description style needs. Okay, style description style seeds. Okay, now let's combine both of them. Style one. Okay, let's do. So this will make AI writings like you, not like a robot. Now your turn. Small exercise. Use SS technique to write a prompt. Lines telling AI to follow your English Hindi miss using your sample sentence. Use a simple and friendly Hindi English tone. Here is my style. Pronoun is a word जो हम noun के बदले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For the style. Now complete it in 1 to 2 lines. Okay. So I'm gonna also use my voice. Okay. So use a simple and a friendly Hindi, okay, English tone. Here is my style, then comma inside like you can say that. Okay, I'm trying to use the things. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy that. Okay, pronoun pronoun वह वर्ड है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं I'm getting lots of error. I'm just gonna copy that. Okay, I just copy all of that. I don't want to write anything. Okay, all the copy and just paste it. As you can see that I'd say that's how we do it. Okay, uh, I will stop it here. Tomorrow I will start from here again because I don't really like this one right now for any reason behind it. So meet you again tomorrow. Bye.